You probably think yawning means you're tired, but it's actually your brain fighting to stay alive. For decades, we believed a yawn was just your body trying to gulp down more oxygen. That's completely false. Think of your brain like a high-powered computer. When you get exhausted or bored, your brain's temperature actually rises. It's overheating. That massive stretch of your jaw pumps blood through your face. Then, that deep breath of cooler air acts like a biological radiator, instantly chilling the blood rushing into your skull. It's literally a built-in AC unit designed to shock you back into focus. So, the next time your jaw drops open, remember,